How's it going, guys? This is Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you a really cool, a really quick way to edit your images in Rawtherapee. It only takes about 3 clicks and you can see the results that you can get. This is the before and this is the after. So this is straight out of the camera from the raw file, and I'm going to show you how to get these results with just a couple of clicks. And you can make this as a custom profile, and then you can apply them automatically to all the images. And then so every time you open up a new image, it's going to have it already edited and ready to go. So let's go ahead and start with the before and afters, and then I'll show you how to do this. It's really simple, it's really quick, and it's really easy. So this is the before and this is the after image. You can see the difference. Here's another one. This is the before and this is the after. And as always, you can adjust the image after this as well, so you can make it to your own liking. Here's another one. This is the before and this is the after. Now I have applied some lens corrections, but you can ignore that, or you can apply them if you want. Here's another before and after. And here's another before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. And this is a before image as well, and this is the after. You can see the edit. And another one over here, you can see the before and after. And this is with just 3 or 4 clicks. It's very simple. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is load up the image and go to the neutral profile, which is just this one here. And this will turn everything into 0, as in there's no edits applied to the image. So after that, what you want to do is scroll down to on the first tab, which is exposure. You want to go down to highlights and shadows. Leave this on RGB, and what you want to do is put this on 50, double press the tab and again, and put this one on 50, and that's pretty much it. And then you want to turn this on. Then after that, you can go ahead and press the auto match tone curve, and boom, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's it. It's all done. All the edits have been done. And this is a good starting point if you want to edit your images. You can do sharpening and whatever to the image later on. And what you can do is you can just save this as a profile. And then when you go into the settings over here, you can go on to image processing and enable it over here for raw photos. You can have this as the starting profile. And then what that means is if I go on this new image, it's going to have this profile set. And all I have to do is press this. And then that's it. That's all the edit there is. So I'll go ahead and show you again. So if I go into this one, I'll clear it, and if I go back to the image, this is a brand new image opened up. All I have to do is press this, and then boom, there it is. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.